Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to our channel. So basically guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a bracelet using rubber bands. So if you don't know how to make a bracelet, this is what you do basically. If you know, then make it. So basically you take a rubber band, I took this lightish green color with lemon yellow color. You can take any of your choice. Now that we have it, first basically what you're gonna do is get it on your fingers, not one finger. Don't get it like this. Get like a one twist on it, like this. Then put it on it. And you have it. Now basically put another color on it. I put this yellow orangish color. Then put it normally without no twist. Then get the downside rubber band on top of it. And basically repeat the steps. If you do use like a packet type rubber band, it also comes with this. It comes with this rocket thing. And then put it on that thing, and then and it also comes with this hook stick, and all you gotta do for this is take the hook off it, and then took the rubber band from it and like put it on top of it, and just repeat it on all of it. So basically guys, I'm done right here. And to get the measurements of your hand, basically you want to do is take the end of the rubber band and get it on your hands like this, and then put one another like this. Put one inside another one. Then it is tight, it won't open. Then put it on your thumb or your another finger. Then basically just do on the end, and you can see, put your hand inside through it, and you can see if it is your size or not. Then you just basically do it with the top one. So now what you're gonna do is